Hello and welcome back to Classropedia. We are back with Vlookup part 3. It's regarding wildcard. We did the Vlookup formula where we got the lookup value as A11 and then we took the table array from A3 to B7, second column and exact match, and we got the branch after we added the name. But what if I just want to add John and I don't have the complete details? It comes as NA. What's the solution? What if I add John star? Do you think that's a solution? Yes, that works. So I need to add a star in the name all the time, which is not feasible. So let us fix this particular issue in the VLOOKUP formula, and we'll do it through wildcard. We've got star, we got question mark, we got tilde, but we will concentrate only on the most important part, that is wildcard star. So I'll just keep it as John, and what I will do is here I've got the lookup value. So I've got something written after John and it takes it as a star. So if I just add a star over here, but I can't connect without an AND, so I need to always use an AND to connect, and after that I will take the inverted commas, add a star, and then close the inverted commas. So what I've done is I've added a star to the lookup value, so it's John star actually. So when I take this, it comes as Kolkata. But what if I add Smith over here? Oh, again it comes as NA because we got something and then we got Smith. So if I do a star Smith, will it work? Yes, it works. So let us do the same thing in the formula. We've got the lookup value, we got the table array, we got column number true, 0. We also have star in inverted commas after the lookup value. So now let us add the same thing before the lookup value. And of course you need to add an AND to complete the formula. There you go. So even if I add Smith, it works. If I add Ravi, it works. If I add the second name Suresh, it works. So this is how the formula works with a wildcard, where you don't have the complete details. You can always use the wildcard entry, and this is very easy. You need to add stars before or after the VLOOKUP value. So you need to always have the inverted commas and then the text, and the separator AND should always be there. Hope you liked my video. Please do ask questions in the comments and subscribe my channel, make me famous. Please. Thank you very much. Bye bye.